All right, buddies, we are gonna do a one-eyed crab monster. It's gonna get crazy. So grab something to draw with and a piece of paper, and this is gonna be super simple and fun. Let's get started. All right, buddies, one big eye, some crabby legs, and let's have fun. All right, so circle in the middle. Whee! Does not have to be perfect, buddies. Just has to be fun. And when you practice, you'll get better and better. Okay, so we got this creepy one eye. It's gonna be a crab. Let's do the like fish, pokey, pointy looking eyeball pupil. Always looks so good. Super simple too. Color that in. Nice. All right, buddies. For this one, we're gonna do this fun, furry horn vibe. So let's do like an upside down curve here above the eye. Super easy. And then make it point, and make it point. And then I saw this online. It was just a super creative, like bird, wavy, feather looking vibe. So we're just gonna go up and curve. Same on the other side. Up and curve. Look cool. And then we're gonna do one more big one. So we're gonna go a little wider. Up, a little wider. Up. And then just bring it back down. We're gonna do a big one down. Wee, wee, kind of to the top of that eyeball. All right, now we gotta bring it down to here because it's like this creepy head thing. So we're gonna go and we're gonna do a dot, take this eyeball down and then do like a dot there, take it down to the middle, and a dot there. Because that's where we want to make our creepy wing head meet to look nice and balanced and cool. All right. So pretty much we need to do like a big one, triangle, two. We're going to do like two triangles. So to go here and go up, and then we're going to bring that down and then down. Same thing here, buddies. We're going to go up and down. Ready? Take it up. And then down. Perfect. Now we're gonna do one more connect, one more connect. So take it out and connect. Take it out and connect. Wow, buddies, that looks so cool and that was so easy. It really came together already. I know yours looks good at home. All right, we're gonna do, just to kind of show that it's like furry, we're gonna do an inside poink right here, just right in the middle, up and down. Same thing here, up and down. Brings it to life, gives it that 3D vibe. Okay, buddies, now quick and easy crab body. So crab legs can get complicated if you try to do them realistic, but this is a cartoon, so this is just gonna be real quick and fun, all right? You can do it. Okay, so first, we're gonna give him little pincers. I think that's how you say it, pincers. So just, again, nothing too complicated. Out and in. Out and in. That's it. Down and down. That's like his little mouth. All right. Now, we're gonna do his crab legs, which are basically just gonna be bigger versions of these pincers right there to give you a little faith that you can do it, all right? So first we're gonna do kind of his stomach right here. So we balance him out. We'll just do a curved line. Real easy, just a little curved line. It'll make sense in a second. All right, now we start our legs. So we're gonna go up first. So a curve up, perfect. And then we're gonna go a straight line on top. So boom, just past that one. Is it looking cool? And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, Breddies. We're gonna curve up and then a straight line and just pass it just a little bit. Good job, Breddies. All right, now for the crab legs, we're gonna go down. There's Hank yelling. And we're gonna match it over here, down. Good job. All right, and then we're gonna do the pointy crab leg. So go in to a point. Look at that, that looks so spooky. All right, same thing on the other side, Breddies. We're gonna go down, curve this one around and meet it, go in, and then curve to a point. See his two pincher legs? Oops, I did this one a little shorter and this one a little longer, but hey, we messed up, but we just gotta practice. All right, same thing over here. That's why it's so easy, we just replicate it. So just over, curve, we're gonna mirror this line. So we're curving, and then to a point. And then bring it up. Same thing right here. Mirror, curve it to a point. Boom! So it looks like he's got 3 of them. Look at that. So easy. All right. Ready? We're gonna do, we got 2 back there, so we gotta do 2 over here. So these ones are gonna be a little smaller, but we still just mirror that, Breddies. So down, curve, up, and over. One more, Breddies, ready? Down, curve, up, and over. Check it out, he's so silly looking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. It looks so good. All right, Breddies, and now to make his stomach, we'll just do a couple of lines to make it look like he's there. All right, Breddies, that is it. That was so fun and simple. Let's color it and bring it to life together. We're gonna color this one together. So I'm gonna do 2 reds, a darker red and a lighter red to give it that 3D shadowy look. You can copy me at home or grab any colors you want and just have fun. It's just time to relax and color. I know Jane would do like a rainbow sprinkle, every color in the rainbow. So be creative and do whatever you like, whatever's fun. All right, let's get my 2 reds. Like I said, I wanna do probably something, I can hear Hank crying. He's being naughty in there. All right, so I'm gonna do like these 2. And I'm gonna test them out first. That's always important. So grab like a scratch paper and just try them out. Make sure they're the vibe you want. Ooh, I like it. Look, Breddies. See how those 2 go together? So that's perfect. I'm gonna go with these 2 and give it like this shadow vibe. I'll show you right now. All right, back to the paper. So I got my dark and my light reds I wanna use. Super simple. Now I'm just gonna color. So I want the lighter, I'm gonna act like the sun's coming in from the top. So I'm gonna do my shadowing. So basically, I'm gonna get the dark red along the bottom here. And I'm gonna color everything underneath this dark red. I'm gonna use a thicker point. Okay, super simple and colored in. You'll see, Breddies, the colors is the most relaxing part to drawing. Don't have to think about school or work. Just color and watch our drawings come to life. Usually I do crazy colors like neon pinks and blues, but I feel like this was so obvious. It was this crab vibe that I found online I really wanted to do. So I'm going with OG red. I don't really use red that often, so this is cool. See how I did that, breadies? Along the bottom of the monster, we're gonna go this dark red. And then we can do that even with these to make it get that like 3D vibe. Do the light on top and have the bottom of these things just kind of a little darker. Brings it to life. It's looking so good. Should we do bright yellow eyeball? I think that'll look cool. All right, let's fill in with the lighter color red. So we gotta do cover a lot of ground with this one, breadies. Just relax. Color. Kind of need to focus near the end next to the black. Other than that, it's just totally fun and relaxing. Can't you see it come to life already, breadies? These colors look really good together. But we also like to inspire creativity. So if you want to do a sprinkled donut color one, or a pink and purple, or if your favorite color is blue, you can get a darker blue on the bottom and a lighter blue for the top, and it'll still look great. I'm coloring with Jane. She always makes me do sprinkled donut colors. If you don't know what that is, go watch our some of our other videos. You'll see a lot of white with colorful donut sprinkles for the main color. It is pretty fun. We are getting there, almost done, buddies. Now the legs. Let's do the yellow eyeball to finish up. Remember to test your colors, because it might not be the right yellow you want. I think I want a lighter one than that. That one's good. Real bright. Should we do a shadow on the eyeball too? Like a darker yellow? Ooh, that's way dark. It's almost orange. Let's try this one. Yeah, that's good. All right, breadies. We'll do a darker shade on the bottom to really bring this eyeball to life. It's gonna look good. Then the yellow. When you have the light yellow, you really gotta be careful around the black. Darker color and the light color together, they'll bleed together and you'll get some ugly black stains, so be careful. But check that out. It looks so awesome, Reddies. Check it out. I wanna see yours. Comment below if you did it so I can come to your page and watch you do yours, all right? Super simple. Hope you had fun. Like and subscribe and push those notifications so you can watch another one tomorrow. I'll see you there. Bye, Reddies.